came in a foot of water on a dirty jig.
Easily 5 pounds. Dirty jig, ½ ounce. Grande bass, mega claws trailer on the back. Once again, this is a monstrous fish. Not giant, but big mouth. 5 pounds. In the spring, this would have been, probably 5 3/4, 6 pounds. A little over 5 now. 8 pounds, 7 ounces. Look at that bait. All right, 8 pounds, 7 ounces. Dirty jigs. Look at that fish. Oh yeah. Decent. Oh yeah. Swim jigs. Middle of the summer. 90 degrees. Down here in Lower Delaware with Ryan Corsiato, Steve Von Brandt for the Bass College. We'll see you in a minute. Sunny shore. Nice bass. That dirty jigs and Grande bass, man. That's the way to go. Look these bass up out of these lay down. Right away.
I have me something figured out. It's not definite, but just about. Dude, I can make the cut. And I'm betting on Sunday. And I'll be fishing solo. Just me and my cameraman Joe. And with a little bit of luck, I'll have just enough. Gonna back this boat. Chatterbaits, things like that. And same thing I was doing. And then I put on the Grande bass Mega Claws trailer on the Dirty Jigs HP flipping jig, and wham, hit him right away. So I'm tying on a couple different ones, different colors.